Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you how to add plugins to your Terraria server. To get plugins set up on your Terraria server, we'll firstly need to set up TShock. So if you have an existing server, head to configuration, but if you haven't, go ahead and create a new service. Make sure you select Terraria as the service type and then set the type to TShock. We also recommend setting the version to the latest version. This is so it minimizes errors. As you can see, you can quickly edit some settings at the bottom here as well, such as max players, server seed, server password, and much more. If you're happy with everything though, make sure to press create service for the necessary files to be generated. This shouldn't take too long, and when it's done, we can move on to setting up TShock correctly. After you install TShock onto your server console will no longer respond to commands, and all commands must be done in-game. This is a known issue with TShock and may be fixed by them in a future release. After TShock is set up for the first time, you'll need to configure yourself as an admin so it recognizes your commands. Look at your server console and locate the line. To set up the server, join the game and type /setup. That's exactly what we're going to do, so go ahead and copy that command. Then make sure you go ahead and locate the hostname of your server and open up your Terraria. Once you've found your way into the server, make sure to paste the command we copied earlier into the chat box. If done correctly, you should see the following writing in the chat box. What you need to do is follow the steps that are stated in the text box. You'll need to create your owner account by entering the command /user_add account name, password, and then owner. Do note that your account name does not have to be the same as your username on the server. If done correctly, you should get the message, account has been added to group owner. Finally, to log into your server, you now need to enter that login information to log in using the command /login. To finish, you should get a message that states authenticated as successfully. This means you can now move on to adding plugins to your server. Head to the TShock plugin repository. We will leave the link to that page in the description. Then scroll down and find a desired plugin. I want to go ahead and download creative mode, so I'll be pressing download. The plugin you download should download a .dll file. Head back to Server.pro and head to files. Then open up server plugins. That's where you're going to want to go ahead and drag in the .dll plugin file. With our super speedy panel, that should take no time, and then you should reset your server for the changes to take effect. Once your server is up and running again, you can use your hostname to then join it and check out your plugins. Since I installed the creative plugin, I'll be doing /creative mode in chat. Then I'll be giving myself access to that command, and ta-da! I'm now able to use all kinds of cheats. I hope I was able to help you set up your server. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to comment down below or contact our support. Bye guys!